Hi foodies, and today's menu is tiger nut pudding, and I guess we've all tried it, but this one I'm going to show you how to do it. So like you have the ingredient tiger nut, some rice, some coconut, and some cloves. All this has been pre-soaked, and I'm going to add in some water and then blend it all together. It becomes smooth as this. Then I'm going to use my cheesecloth to just strain it, and this is what we have. You're going to pour it into a saucepan, put it on fire, and keep stirring this direction until it thickens up. And here we have it. You're going to add in some what's the name, honey. You're going to add in some honey and then mix it all together, and our tiger nut pudding is ready. I'm just going to serve it into my bowl and add in some fruits that you may like. I mean, I'm just an extra person, and so going in with a fruit is just an optional thing. If you don't want to, you can just take it out, and I bet you add in some milk, although it's milk you're having there. And guys, you may just want to eat this the whole year. I love it. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes as this. Catch you later on my next meal, and have a nice day. Bye.